could become a secret chief in his lifetime. And it's exactly this quest, with all of Crowley's weird little magic friends, that we'll be discussing today on Part 2.
It is I flip-flop. Much like Aleister Crowley on a bunk bed, I flip-flop, thinking about whether or not I believe or disbelieve Aleister Crowley.
Literally extra energy and what money he had left into an occult magazine the size of a phone book called The Equinox, which some consider his greatest magical legacy. Surprisingly, The Equinox was actually a hit, and Crowley might have made a good chunk of change if only his vanity hadn't required.
He entered into God form.
Neuberg had also shaved his head, but it left two little tufts on each side, dyed red, and twisted to look like horns, like the guy was a fucking prodigy. Like
This is your magical haircut, Neuberg. I just feel that maybe it makes me look like a doll that's been left in a dumpster, like left in the rain and all the hair on it. Exactly.
That's the sad thing with Coolio, the lead singer of Prodigy, and any professional wrestler that has the Legion of Doom haircut. You just have to be that forever.
Oh, you have to walk around like that.
Forever and ever, like an Applebee's. That's just the way you look.
But at this time, Neuberg was no longer a mere student, but neither was he an equal. Instead, Neuberg had evolved into a kind of familiar for Crowley, and pretty much just there to be used as Crowley saw fit.
For translation, it's kind of like a pet. Like, he used him as a pet. Like, he was a Smeagol, kind of.
Yeah. What they did with each other, you can't even do that with a pet.
Not anymore.
No, never.
Now the men,
That's great. That's the only good thing, actually, so far from this story has been this wonderful sexual experience these two men got to share with each other.
Popped around the whole world. Name another more influential day of sex.
Whatever that one movie with the two cowboys, Blue Mountain Times, or what was that one?
Blue Mountain Times.
The two cowboys, Larry McMurtry's Blue Mountain Times. Yeah, what's it called? Yeah, should have probably changed it to Brokeback Mountain. Yes, Brokeback Mountain.
That wasn't real though. That was a movie. Marcus,
but it was also real.
what's the other big